Hi, I am Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to switch between scenes quickly in OBS Studio using keyboard shortcuts. If you are recording, live streaming or presenting and want to change scenes instantly without clicking inside OBS, this is the easiest way to do it. Let's get started. First, open OBS Studio. Make sure you have already created the scenes you want to switch between. For example, you might have a gameplay scene, a display capture scene, a webcam scene, or any other scenes you use. Normally, you have to click on a scene manually each time you want to switch. To do it faster, click File, then select Settings. From the left menu, click Hotkeys. In the search box, type Scene. Now find your scene names. Each scene has a Switch to Scene option. Click inside the box next to the first scene. Press the keyboard shortcut you want to use. For example, you can press F1. Now scroll to your next scene. Click inside the Switch to Scene box. Press another shortcut such as F2. Repeat the same process for any additional scenes you want to control with your keyboard. Make sure each scene has its own unique shortcut. Once you are finished, click Apply. Then click OK. Now test your shortcuts. Press the hotkey for your first scene. OBS will instantly switch to that scene. Press the hotkey for another scene. OBS will switch again immediately. This lets you change scenes without opening the OBS window or clicking with your mouse. It's especially useful when you are gaming, recording tutorials, giving presentations, or live streaming because you can switch scenes without interrupting what you are doing. If a shortcut doesn't work, make sure it isn't already being used by another application or another OBS hotkey. You can always go back to the hotkeys menu and assign a different key. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to switch between scenes quickly in OBS Studio using keyboard shortcuts. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.